Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over our triple Hellcat fuel pump system. Currently this is just a product that we sell customers who are having the cars built in the shop. The dual pumps we sell on the website. These we just do installs in the shop. But the information we're going to talk about is going to apply mostly to both the dual and the triple pumps. But we wanted to show you guys some of the design ideas that go into it. Then we'll get to install it in a car and show you that process as well. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is the pumps. So we do use the 4 hat with the triple pumps. We use the Deutsch connectors. So these are for the 2 additional pumps. And then the single pump still runs on the factory connector, so it is plug and play. This connector has the wiring for the pump and the level sender. This part right here is what makes ours a little bit unique from other kits on the market. We only have additional connectors for the 2 additional pumps. Pump number 1 runs on the factory connector. It just kind of reduces the amount of connectors under the plastic cover. It's easier to fit everything in so that you can put your cover back on and it looks stock. And I just think it's a nicer way to do it. The factory wiring that's already in the car is really nice. Let's use it. So we do. Next, we'll talk about the bracket. This is our bracket that we've made up and designed, and it mounts in the factory location. This is essentially the same thing as the dual bracket, but we have an extra little bit added on here for the triples to have 2 relays mounted. Both modules are mounted to our bracket. And in the case of the triple pump, all 3 modules are mounted to the bracket. We'll show you how that works once we get to installing it in the car. For the dual kit, you'll receive 1 additional module. For the triple kit, we do 2 additional modules, obviously. And then finally, we have the actual harness. So this is definitely something that makes it unique from the other kits on the market. I'm not saying that the others are worse. Ours is just different. And I'd like to point out some of those differences. We have the relays integrated into the harness. You do mount them to the bracket. Up by every connector, we have a zip tie with heat shrink over it for strain relief. You can bend it and tweak it. The zip tie is doing the work, not the heat shrink. And then the beauty of it is that there's only 2 wires to connect to anything. So you have 1 ground, whether it's a dual or a triple harness, you have 1 ground and 1 positive. Something that is also unique is the length of our pump section. So this is how much wire we supply for the pumps. So it follows factory wiring, and when you pull up your rear seat, you don't have any wiring visible. There's nothing you can see. So if you run around with your rear seat out, which a lot of cars do, there's not wires all over the place. If you have your package tray out, there's not wires everywhere. And then by your relay box and battery, there's really no visible wiring. So it really makes for a nicer finished product. It looks very OEM. And then lastly, of course, we have the Deutsch connectors on the ends to connect to the pump hat. So let's go get this thing installed. right, so that's the complete installation on our dual or triple pump in at least in a Challenger Hellcat. Charter is going to be essentially the same thing. The benefits of the returnless system that we have in this car are that we didn't have to do any other work. We didn't have to run fuel lines. We didn't have to change fuel rails. There's really nothing more to do than install the pumps and wire it up. So it's very, very simple. Of course, there's also no regulator, so there's no regulator to mount and plumb to. So it really just simplifies the whole process. And the beauty of it is it works just as well, if not better. So if this is something you're interested in, you want to get a set of these pumps, either the duals or the triples, let us know. Currently, like I said, we're only doing the triples for the cars in the shop that are being built here. But obviously, if you bring a car in, we can make you a set of triples and get them in. We do sell the duals on our website. I don't know if they're in stock at the time of posting this video because we are only a two-man show. We try to keep them in stock. We'll make them in batches, and when they're gone for a couple of weeks. But we do try to keep them in stock to the best of our abilities. If you have any questions about this system, please reach out. We're happy to talk about it. Thanks for watching.